Now, Meta just came out with Meta AI that is publicly available on every single one of their apps: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, all of those. So let's open up the WhatsApp app here. If you're on iPhone or Android, it works the same. Now, you might not see this initially if you don't update to the latest version. So you need to head into the App Store or Google Play Store and let's type in WhatsApp and make sure that WhatsApp Messenger is updated. If it says update, just update to the latest version so that you'll get the Meta AI. After you've done that, let's go back into WhatsApp, tap on the little plus at the top right, and you can see new AI chat. I can tap on that and it says introducing AI chats. I'm going to hit accept here. I'm just going to choose the Meta AI assistant here. And you can see it gives me various prompts. So imagine a race car on Mars. And basically it will just immediately prompt you with what it thinks of when it thinks race cars on Mars. Now, the nice thing about this is it is completely free. These images are completely free. You can see at the bottom left, it says with AI imagined. So basically it's a little tag or watermark indicating that this is an AI image. And you can ask it whatever you want. So what year did the Berlin Wall fall? And it will just respond with whatever you want. And you can ask it more complicated things. It will just go back and forth with you. You'll be able to see it gives you the date here. It gives you a variety of different sources. It'll give you a bunch of information. You can see here are the sources that it used. Basically, it is your own personal assistant within WhatsApp. Now, you can also use this in other people's chats as well. So let's go back and tap on, say, a chat with myself. Now, if I tap on the little plus here, I can add photos, cameras, location, but you can see to the right of there is that little paper icon. I can tap on it and tap on create here. And it says generate with AI. Basically, I can tap on whatever I want to generate a cool image within WhatsApp. And I can tap on it to just send that specific cool image that was generated by AI in my WhatsApp message. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.